this is the 345 cat excavator. I'm not sure whether it's an L series or what it is because there's no indication. So I've just taken control lock off. We increase our engine revs. Try and get a bucket with one end. Just the gist of what I've been doing all day. This here is degraded granite that we're trying to get, and we crush what rocks and everything go through. And that gives us our road base and 2030 stone. Anyway, as you can see, this is Corico. Channel that we've made. We're just stripping the topsoil off and then we get at the granite arm.